Hello everybody, Grandma Bev here with Life with Grandma Bev, and today I'm going to share with you it's Friday, a Fair Trade Friday. Not sure if it'll get posted on a Friday, but I'm going to move this chair up here so I got another thing I can set stuff on. It feels pretty heavy. So, the purpose of this box is I send things from different artisans, and sometimes from different countries. I thought it was going to be all different countries, but there was stuff in there made in the U.S. But as long as it's made in the U.S., that's cool. So let's see what came this year. In the past. Well, in fact, that's where that straw bag came from that I gave out last month for my 800 subscriber giveaway. Okay, well here's the box inside. Put it over here. All kinds of paper. Okay, and here's your one and a melon. Same thing I need to tell you in here. Melon tastes better when you eat it with your family. That is by Anonymous. Then they're talking about summer brings sunshine, thunderstorms, and longer days. It gives us an excuse to get outside and play. It brings us together. Summer bears the best fruit. There isn't much sweeter than a bite of sun-kissed melon in the middle of summer. I don't think they sent me a melon, though. Just as the sun shines, so does the sun, as uppercase sun, reminding creation, you are loved by the Creator. There's no one else like you. There will never be another August day like today. It's sweet, enjoy it. And Proverbs 18:21 warns that words kill, words give life. They're either poison or fruit. You choose. Make this choice today. Speak sweet words to others, yourself included. Listen to the sounds of summer singing over you. You matter. You are loved. Share these sun-kissed words and tell someone they are one in a melon too. Lucy. So then it's got what all the different things are, the different products, and I'll tell you about them as we open them. So let's see what this is. Share Sunshine, a set of cards to spread sunshine wherever you go. These are inspiration cards made with Santa, S-A-N-A-A, art by rescued pregnant teens in Kenya. Let's see, can I open this without damaging it? Because I will probably be putting this in the giveaway. Let's see. Come on, baby, slide out. Yeah. Sending you sunshine. I'm sorry. For what? I don't know. I'm proud of you. So, just a lot of real upbeat kind of cards. Let me slide this back in. Here comes Bobby with the mail. Another hot day. It's supposed to be in the 90s. So there are 24 of these cards in here. Oh, no more packages. Okay. So let's set that there. Then we have, they sent some stickers that says use these stickers to gift one of your fair trade products. Well, see, I've already got one, huh? And there is, a melon ball roller from Mercy House Global. And that is made by Noah's Ark in India. That may be another giveaway because we don't eat melon. I'm sorry. He's not a big fruit eater. And if there's any work involved in it, I don't like to eat it. I like bananas. Peel them. eat them. Let's see, what is this? Some kind of a jar, it feels like. It's so hard to get out. Okay, this is, oh, it's a candle. Sun-kissed citrus peel, 8 ounce, 100% soy wax, hand poured by refugees living in the USA. Closer, let's see. Smells nice. That's a keeper. And, oh, I didn't tell you what these others retail for. This candle retails for $17. The scooper, the roller, I mean, melon ball, $7. And the cards, $8. Then, this is cute. It's, I won't take it out of the pack in case I gift it. It's a set of 2. Okay, this is a 1. This is number 2. So a set of 2 metal serving trays. Kind of cute, huh? Let's ask Bob if we have any use for them. If we don't, I'd rather, you know, give it to somebody who can use them. Minimalist that I am. Okay, these are metal serving trays, a set of 2. They retail for $28. Made by Noah's Ark in India with the Santa art by rescued pregnant teens in Kenya. Oh, that's pretty good. So that was the last item. So what did you guys think? And then, of course, there's a you know, page in here that talks about all the different places and where they make them. So I will put this with the stuff because I will be giving a lot of this away. Guess I'm just keeping the candle, but that's okay. So comments below, share, like, subscribe. And I hope you're all having an awesome day. I love you all. Bye.